happiness. Today I am going to explore Agaya Gangai Waterfalls in Kolli. We are going to night drive Chennai to Agaya Gangai Waterfalls, and this is my car. My journey begins now.
Neha, look at here. Neha.
After 6 to 7 hours, we came to hills, and this is the view of the hill. We came to Agaya Gangai Waterfalls, and this is the entrance of the waterfalls. For the adults, rupees 30, and for children, rupees 20. And my trekking begins now. Here we have 1300 steps. Up Samudrana, be careful. The steps over there are very steep. So we reached to Agaya Gangai Waterfall. Oh my god, so big. And we have dirty changing room, and here no door, also so messy. So after my changing my clothes, now I am going to enter the waterfalls with my dad. So we have here rope also. My dad lifted me. Center of the water there was deep. So I enjoy the waterfalls. So guys, I know that I am looking like a devil, so ignore me. And also be careful. Here we have a big temple opposite the waterfalls entrance, and also here we have fruits, spices, etc. There we ate jackfruit. The was so sweet. I love it. So enjoy the waterfalls view. So the video is going to end. Bye. Tata.